and welcome to a brand new episode of Foodie Jam right here on Prudent for fresh, healthy and spicy chats. खूपसो गॅप जालो इफी आयले मदीं आनी मागीर जेन्ना गॅप पडटा तेन्ना चिंतपाक पडटा that everyone is absolutely busy. May it be for the film festival, may it be hotels are full, restaurants are full आनी गॅस्टूय मेळना. सो सद्या तरी हांगा डेलमनान टिंजान आसा हांव वाट पळयता की बाबा ह्या एपिसोडाक आमकां कोण मेळटा तो. So rather than binging on popcorn for the films, it is time to try something really awesome and wholesome on Foodie Jam right here on Prudent.
Pankaj!
Ayesha!
Hey!
Hey! How are you?
Good to see you. What are you doing here?
I was just wondering who my next guest will be. Long time that I was not on Foodie Jam on Prudent.
Yeah, because of your fee and everything.
Now that you are here,
No.
yes.
No.
Yes. Yes. Let's go.
Pankaj, don't do this to me.
Come.
Cannot believe
All
you let me
right,
do this.
Ayesha. Come.
Thank you.
Take a seat.
Thank you very much, Pankaj.
You're most welcome. And here we are.
Still can't believe you make me do this.
No, it's like fun. It's like I love food, you love food.
Yes, I do.
And what's about Foodie Jam is all about speaking to someone who loves food and then getting them to cook also. So.
This is going to be a lot of fun then.
Fun, absolutely. And as Christmas is approaching, you can try something new at home.
We can.
Absolutely.
This will probably be like the first thing I try at home for Christmas.
All right. So, impromptu session with Ayesha Baretto, RJ at Radio Indigo, the color of music, and what colors does she like in food? Let's see. So, how's your food journey been in terms of being a Goan and growing up in Goa?
It's been amazing.
In the sense, what have you experienced eating? In the sense, from your childhood to your school to your college to now.
The thing is that with where families come from, I've experienced everything. So my mom comes from a very typically Goan Portuguese, so all the kaldins and feijoada and all of that influence there, and then of course no Goan is Goan if you're not doing a fish curry rice, right? So that's like a staple. So that goes without saying. Okay. But then with dad coming from Bombay, street foods and chaat and bhel puri. One of my biggest memories with dad was going to eat bhel at Miramar. So lots and lots of memories and lots of food memories created along the way. Okay. Then I went and studied in Bombay, so different experience there. And we've always been encouraged to try anything and everything under the sun as long as it's not humans or dogs.
All right then, Ayesha. Here we are, not giving you a bouquet of flowers.
Thank you.
But something very colorful in terms of a
Wow,
welcome
this
drink.
is very fancy.
Absolutely right here at Tinge by Delman.
It's beautiful.
All right. So, you had quite a walk.
Yes.
And it's time that we sip in the welcome drink.
The drink is so pretty that I don't even want to touch it.
Actually, it looks really delicious and colorful.
It does.
So, before I ask you the next question, sip it.
All right, cheers, Pankaj.
Cheers. Yeah.
Thank you for having me.
Wow.
Ooh, yum.
Best of the two worlds for you then?
Best of every world, actually.
Street food as well as local cuisine as well.
Home cooked, street food. Traveling also has been a big thing for me. So
absolutely.
I believe you learn a lot about a culture and a place when you sample their food.
But tell me one thing. Whenever I come to the studio,
Yeah.
you have this big tiffin. What's in that tiffin? What do you have for breakfast?
I knew you'd be eyeing that too. So I start my day off with a big, at home it would ideally be a big bowl of porridge. So since I can't bring a bowl, it's a dabba.
It's a dabba.
It's a dabba of porridge with almonds, bananas and cranberries. No sugar.
No sugar. So, but is it your everyday kind of breakfast?
It is my everyday kind of breakfast because it kind of gets me through the entire morning. So it's a good, sumptuous, filling breakfast.
What are your lunches and dinners like?
Those are very debatable. They come and go as per the time my stomach starts rumbling.
Okay. So,
So it's not
preferably,
fixed.
what is your lunch time?
My lunch time
Fish
is
curry
about,
rice.
yeah. Fish curry rice. If I could have it every single day of the week, I would.
Okay.
But no, given how exposed to different cuisines we are at home, it changes from day to day. So it's dal and rice one day with pickle. My favorites are like fried brinjal and fried bindis and all of that. So I love it all actually.
Great. And
So curd
how-
rice one day, and
Okay.
I love curd rice with pickle.
Curd rice. Okay. So, if Ayesha is on a gig,
Yeah.
what is your schedule there with the food?
Oh,
Do you?
I would probably eat food the last. That actually is what I used to do now in the past. I'm trying to kind of rectify that situation because I find that I will eat really late and then it just throws my whole schedule
Okay.
going forward for a toss. So I try and regulate and now I'm trying to eat early before I go to a gig, which is what everyone has been telling me to do for the longest time. I think even you mentioned it to me once. But yeah, I'll try to eat before I go to a gig now.
Oh, great. And weddings? When you are on the mic?
Only the snack plate.
What is the snack mic?
Only the snack
What
plate
are
because
you
that's
saying?
the best food.
That is the best food, actually.
It's the best food.
But usually-
because normally at a wedding, by the time you end up eating, you're the last person to eat. So food's been sitting out for quite a while.
So usually when I also do weddings and all that stuff, I have one staple thing. You day in, day out, you eat kind of the same food.
Yes.
But if I see a fish curry there
Yeah.
or a dal rice there,
Yeah.
that becomes my favorite on terms of the buffet.
Yeah. Yeah.
So do you have something like that?
So for me, I think my go-to would be like I love paneer.
Okay.
Because it's not something that I would get at home on a daily basis. So if I see anything paneer or mushroom, those are my go-to things. Friends hate taking me to restaurants for like a buffet spread.
Why?
Because I will go straight for the salads and then I'll
Okay.
fill up on salads and I'll ignore the rest of the buffet counter. And they're like, you're such a waste. You only fill up on the salad.
Oh, kind of healthier.
I am a salad person. That's the only thing I can make at home is really good salads.
Okay.
I can't cook to save my life. So good luck to today.
Don't worry, Ayesha says she doesn't know to cook, but she is on salads. But today on Foodie Jam, let's try a hand at something really special. And what that special thing is that Ayesha also is going to try her hand on
Yep.
is what we need to go and check out. So here we go, Ayesha.
Let's go. Let's go do this.
All right. Okay, let me put that for you.
Thank you.
All right then, head to the kitchen. After you.
Thank you. Thank you.
And after a very long time, right here on Foodie Jam on Prudent, a tinge by the Grand Delman, open for breakfast, lunch and dinner. And talk about breakfast, lunch and dinner, we already introduced to you RJ Ayesha Baretto, and we have Chef Narayan with us. And Chef Narayan with Ayesha Baretto, with Pankaj and Team Prudent are doing something fantastic on the gas today. Itle सगळे ingredients आपका दिष्टी पट्टा. What we are doing today is the chicken ghee roast. Yes, so Chef Narayan आमका सांग ingredients किती किती जाय पडटा.
Yes sir, Kashmiri chili,
Kashmiri chili,
whole dhania,
okay,
jeera, methi,
Methi.
seeds, miri,
miri,
badi soap, garlic, आणि मागीर
ते सगळे mix करपाक जाय.
सगळं रोस्ट करपाचें.
Okay, okay,
रोस्ट करून मागीर पेस्ट जाता.
okay. So that's how it is, the red color paste that you do. Wonderful. त्याच्या उपरांत
मागीर मिक्स करपाचें.
Mix करपाचें.
मिक्सरान मारपाचें.
okay.
मागीर ऑयल स्टार्ट करप.
Start करपाचे with oil. So let's start the procedure.
देसी घी.
Ghee roast म्हटल्यार ghee is important.
हय.
Lots of ghee.
Lots of ghee, lots of ghee.
Wow, this all looks so good, Pankaj. How do you stay so fit when you do so many foodie shows?
No, I'm like wondering, I used to get comments also saying we are so jealous of you.
देसी घी.
Okay, ही कितली देसी घी?
हय.
कितली घालची पडटा?
100 ग्रॅम.
100 grams of देसी घी. आता ही तुवें मेल्ट केल्या.
हय, मेल्ट केलें.
Wow.
But actually ghee is very good. A teaspoon of ghee every day is good for health.
That's what I've heard too. I've never
But
tried
not so
it.
much, I guess.
गार्लिक सर.
Okay, हे कितलं?
चॉप गार्लिक.
Chopped garlic.
5 ग्रॅम.
Wow.
5 gram. Okay.
5 grams of chopped garlic.
Well, after
I'm trying to memorize this as we
memorize.
go along, yeah? So 100 grams of ghee, 5 grams of chopped garlic,
कढीपत्ता.
Curry patta. Okay.
1 gram.
1 gram.
I like how the chefs and moms do it.
I know. And
I
they
don't know, like,
just no measurement, just throw it in there.
Throw it in there.
It'll get done. And it'll taste amazing.
I
Experience
love this
counts.
garlicky smell. The aroma is fantastic.
बरे फ्राय जाऊन जाईल मागीर ते ऑनियन घालता
कितले वेळ सॉटे करपाक जाय
2-3 मिनिट
2-3 मिनिटां ओके म्हणजे ते ब्राऊन जावपाक जाय
हय ब्राऊन जाऊन जाय बरे ब्राऊन जाले न्हू मागीर ऑनियन घालता
Can I say that this already smells so good? Just these three
Absolutely.
ingredients. It's amazing.
When is Ayesha vegetarian?
I used to be during Lent,
Okay, but now?
but now I've realized that sacrifices mean something so much more than just giving up meat during
Absolutely.
Lent. So it's
So,
changed.
365 days. Yeah, okay.
चॉप ऑन
Yeah, chopped onion kitlo?
ने 80 ग्राम
80 grams.
So this is okay for one portion.
हां 1 पर्सन
Another thing I love, fried onions. Oh
Fried
my god. It's so
And
good.
I love caramelized onions on my burgers. So,
Ooh, now you're talking.
yeah.
Can't stop looking at it. It looks so good. So good.
Yes, you will definitely try a hand or fit in some time, Ayesha.
I will just stir whatever he's already
Yeah,
added.
yeah.
That's how hands-on I'm going to get.
Aisha makes some amazing scrambled eggs if you planning
Breakfast is all
a
I'm good
breakfast
for.
with her. And the lunch scenes, she'll be trying this first, I guess.
Yeah, I'll be coming here to eat. That's
Tinge.
what I'll be. Tinge is where I'll be, where you'll find me. Wow, look at that starting to brown. Ah, that smell.
Amazing. So, usually they say there are a lot of foodie aspects wherein
Wait, we're adding another ingredient.
like the garlic paste.
Ginger garlic paste.
Ginger garlic paste.
जिंजर गार्लिक
So around 2 tablespoons,
1
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, okay. Hope everyone else is making a note of these.
So I was saying, Aisha,
Yeah, sorry.
are you a midnight snack person? Or do you dig the fridge
The time.
all the time?
All the time.
Okay.
Like
Turmeric, ಹೇಗಿದ್ರೆ?
हाफ
half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon.
Okay. Half a teaspoon of turmeric.
What is your fridge stuffed with?
My fridge is stocked with everything that's not good for you. Everything that's not good for you.
Like what is like midnight snack? Yeah, the chicken
हाफ किलो
half
Half
kilo
a
chicken.
kilo
Yeah,
chicken.
already to marinate
मैरिनेशन केले
Marination
Ginger
करपा.
What's in the
जिंजर
marination?
गार्लिक
Ginger garlic paste, salt,
सॉल्ट
And lime?
or ginger garlic paste, salt and turmeric. Okay, fantastic.
Nice.
This we will take eons.
Eons to learn, yeah. Can you do that?
Don't
After
even
being on the show for so long?
Don't even look at me.
Water, okay. Why do you add the water, chef?
उधर किधर डालना?
ते मासे हे जाऊन
Moisture.
हां
Yes, Aisha, you can try your hand. याच्याकडे दे मच्छे. डोलो. आणि
This is going to be fun.
yes.
But I have done this at home, okay?
Yeah, you are
that's all I'm
amazing
good
at
for.
breakfast
Breakfast and stirring the pot.
and stirrings, but
Today
this
we're
should
actually-
be at your priority list in your kitchen.
Yes.
लिटिल सॉल्ट
Little salt.
Salt to taste. स्वाद अनुसार.
Okay, I think I should leave it to the professionals.
How's the feeling?
It feels good. Feels hot.
The
Feels.
color of
Smells
music
yummy.
is indigo, and the color in the pan right now is yellow.
It's yellow. It's beautiful and it smells so good. But I'll leave it to him before I burn it.
So, याच्या उपरांत त्याला मॉइस्ट झालं तर एक कितले स्टर कितले करचे पडटा?
10 मिनिट
10 मिनिट.
हय तेजे चपाटा
Come on, you want to work those arm muscles? Maybe you should get in on the stirring as well.
Yeah. Okay.
And more water.
हय मारू जा बनवा
What I love is that he's putting it on the outside, not in the
Outside,
center. That's cool.
Ah.
My stomach's growling already.
Yeah. Let's make the tummy a little happier in some time. Please.
Come on.
Please.
Okay. This is amazing. Chicken feels so
Your
soft.
mom will be proud.
She'll be knocking on your door and saying, "Thank you, Pankaj, for teaching my daughter something finally." Like honestly, she's been trying to get me into the kitchen for years.
Okay.
And I just
So
keep
what is
telling
your excuse me of not going into the kitchen?
I just don't have the time.
Don't have the time. Okay. And thank you for making time today.
Yeah. For you, anytime. Okay, now I'm going to stop now.
Okay. Chef,
I'm gonna leave
turn
it
the
at the-
tables.
See, I can't do this. If I did
This
that,
is
it would all be falling over and
I
landing
swear.
on the
It's like,
floor.
how do they do that? Practice.
It's good at it. It's good at it.
So, Goa, in terms of, you have a lot of street food now.
Yeah.
May it be North Indian, may it be Goan, and now shawarma stuff is popping up. What is your favorite Goan snack?
Favorite Goan snack would have to be. Oh, I actually can't choose. There's so many.
No, top three.
Rissois, of course.
Rashoish, okay.
The croquets.
Croquets, okay.
Would have to be. Ooh, the mushroom samosas.
Yes, I will now go and after this try something. Okay, done. All right then, the chicken is getting ready. We are doing the ghee roast right here at Grand Almond, the Tinge. With us is RJ Ayesha Baretto and Chef Narayan. So after this yellow preparation, it will turn into red.
Because we're going to add the chili paste.
Roast and chili paste.
Come on, I think now this is your turn.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Look at the color. Look at the color.
How are you with your spice? Can you handle spice?
I like spicy stuff,
Okay.
but the spice should be so much that it should hit you. It's like
Not make you cry.
watery through the nose and watery through the mouth. And you should sweat. That's the time that spice hits you.
Well, this looks like it's going to be super spicy.
Super spicy.
Super duper spicy.
It
of
looks
course.
red already. Amazing color.
Wow.
And if you want to enjoy ghee roast,
Oh wait,
and
there's
if
more
you're-
going in.
Oh, more going in. Okay.
He's really going to make us cry.
Yeah, absolutely. Ekidada?
Yeah, good.
Oh,
Okay.
that finally something.
Jaggery.
This,
So, but a little healthier option in terms of no sugar.
yes,
Jaggery is healthy.
jaggery is the best option.
Okay.
I'm glad he's putting some in because it's going to offset the spice.
Ani?
Imlichi pani.
Okay.
Ooh.
Tamarind.
Tamarind.
Tamarind paste. Yum.
So, तुमका जर मँगलोर बी वचपाचें अशें ह्या दिसांनी बी ना आनी घी रोस्ट खावपाची तुमकां उमेद जर आयल्या न्ही टिंज इज द प्लेस टू कम ग्रँड एलमंड पणजे तेंच करताय पळय सद्या
See? I can't do this.
Amazing. This is like
I
practice.
want to like applaud him.
It's like if we do one portion, half the portion will be out.
For sure with me. I don't know about you. Can't speak for you, but I can tell you for sure.
No. I also need some practice. I'm thinking I should learn some basic cooking also.
What can you make, Pankaj?
I can make omelets, chai.
You're just stealing
Coffee.
pages out of my book
No,
right now.
no.
Right?
And I can boil rice.
I can't do that.
That too not normally with the rice cooker, which tells you when it is cooked. But yeah, it's like important that you have the basics because you never know when you have to cook for yourself.
Sure.
Okay?
Coriander.
Coriander. So yeah, already preparation झालंय? Okay. हे आणि मातशें दाट करतलो काय इतलंच पातळ असो? Okay.
Flavor येवपाक मातशें घालून जाय.
Okay.
Coriander.
Okay. आणि घरा कडेन बायलेची फरमाईश कितें आसता?
बायलेची मातशें हॉटेलाची मला रीच जेवण असतं.
हय.
आणि घरचं कितें मातशें मसाला बिसाला लेस मसाला लेस ऑयल हॉटेलाची रीच जेवण
Rich
असतं.
food.
हय rich.
Yeah.
So घरा कडेन सादें जेवण.
हय सारकें.
But I guess that would be the case, right?
No, actually
when
when
you see this every day, you want that simple
I
food,
swear,
right?
when I used to do gigs at different hotels,
Yeah.
I used to not eat the buffet food. I used to straight go to the staff canteen.
That is the best
Amazing
thing ever.
food.
Best thing
Amazing
ever.
So
I
that
actually
was,
begged some people, please take me to your staff canteen so I can eat
no, it's
there.
like amazing food.
It really
People
is.
should
It really
actually
is.
go and
It
try
really is.
staff food.
Yeah. This is looking good.
Absolutely stunning.
Can I admit that I'm kind of drooling? Like a lot, not just
Yeah,
kind
what's the
of.
masala?
Chili
He's
powder.
still adding masala. Okay, last.
Good luck.
Good luck.
He says it's the last, but I don't
Yeah.
believe him somehow.
Oh, कितलो masala? कसलो masala हो?
ते मसाला हेच ते powder.
ते सगळी powder करून तो
Kashmiri
masala
chilies.
आणि okay.
लास्टाक घालतात. मातशें later just don't.
I like how he's saying much
Much,
little
and
and
then
he's
he's
putting
putting
a
two
lot.
spoons to it.
This does not look like little chef.
Okay.
Wow.
Finesse.
See, when something looks this good, can I admit something that I will not say out loud otherwise?
Yes.
I feel like eating it straight from the pan. Don't even want to waste time putting it into a plate.
Into plate.
Eat it straight off from there and
Get some
clean
rotis
it.
and clean it. Okay. And coriander. Doesn't it look?
It looks amazing. That's another one of my favorite ingredients, which I can chew on a stick plain, is kothmeer. I love the flavor.
Wow.
I know, weird, but
No. Everybody has their
quirks.
quirks.
That dill, I love those flavors. Wow, that looks good, chef.
Fantastic ghee roast right here at the Tinge by Grand Delman in Pune, specializing in coastal cuisine. And if you want to experience the coastal cuisine made by Goa to Karnataka to Kerala and up Andhra, this is the place you need to come. आता इतले सगळे मसाले भितर घातला. Ghee roast is one of my favorites. Chef Narayan is there. Ayesha Baretto is there. आता पॅनान आसाच. But what we need to do now is make the tummy a little bit happier and dive into the chicken ghee roast, shall we?
Yes, please.
All right then, let's meet you on the other side where we taste the ghee roast right here at Tinge by Grand Delman, Pune. Welcome to a brand new episode of Foodie Jam right here in Prudent for fresh, healthy and spicy chats. I'm Barabar, Ayesha Baretto of Radio Indigo, and we have the chef manager Amol Desai of Okokero and Tinge as well. So, Ami Sadat Chittale, what is Tinge? So, Tinge is slightly color, and we're talking to the color of music also, Indigo. What a combination. And the color of the ghee roast, which is amazingly red.
Oh my gosh. That was amazing.
But actually, जेन्ना हांव भितर सरलो आनी आयशा भितर सरलें तेन्ना आमकां खबर नासलें की टिंजाक ही सायड आनी आसा म्हणून.
Actually, if you see, this side is more live than that side.
Absolutely.
More colorful आणि
I actually love it. It's such a beautiful space.
the family, friends, just to get together, sit out and all that stuff.
And you can make-
actually
You can make all the noise you want here without affecting.
absolutely.
I'm kidding.
Absolutely. And now we have this setup with live kitchen, live tandoor, and most of the things in the breakfast also we do live over there.
Wow.
So actually people can see through what they are going to eat. So it's a lively experience. And nowadays this is a trend. People want to see
what they are
That's
going to
what
eat.
they eat.
It was actually very
visual
South Asian
experience.
first.
Yeah.
One thing is, Tinge was basically multi-cuisine, but
Yes.
Yadisani focus is on the coastal side.
Coastal, yeah, absolutely.
Why the
Yeah.
change?
No, the thing is, we did start, when we started, it was multi-cuisine. But then we came out with this idea. See, basically, if you see, only in Goa also, we have Goan food. But then if you see this coastal cuisine, coastal, C for coastal, see there are a lot of common C's in this coastal cuisines, Goan cuisine is coastal area. First of all, coconut, C for coconut, curry patta, chili, C,
True.
coastal, C,
Coastal sea.
and corns, peppercorns,
Peppercorn,
yeah, coriander.
coriander.
So, which is basically common in all coastal areas.
That is true.
Yeah, and when you look at it, though there might be a difference in colors and the proportions of the spices, but all these
Thank you.
ingredients together they make the coastal food. So it's
Correct.
very much related to Goan.
Yeah.
So what we came out with, thought that let's have this kind of cuisine wherein people do have hotels, or in Goa there are a lot of hotels which give South Indian but more of vegetarian. So why not explore the non-vegetarian? part of it? So and there are so many of items throughout non-veg flights from Malabar, Mangalore. Now today what we did, ghee roast.
Ghee roast.
It can be done in chicken, mutton. Oh my God,
Wow.
crabs, prawns, and this ghee roast basically now. See, it is
Drooling.
it is so famous now. It is becoming not now. This cuisine is no more regional. Cuisine.
Regional cuisine,
It
yes.
has come to a national level. It is going international.
Correct.
So why not combine all these things and bring people to an experience of a kind of South Indian non-veg, more kind of a non-veg cuisine. So that was
Absolutely.
the basic idea.
Thank you.
And if you see in Goa,
Yeah, that's it.
people have tried this kind of
No, that's
cuisines.
it. Thank
It's
you.
not like that they have not tried. But somewhere that balance somehow was not working out. So we have actually done a thorough study or research on that. Come out
Wow.
with, if you go through our menu,
Yeah.
we'll see there is nothing like this is better than that or that is. So if you
Balance.
if you try each and every this thing, every time you will come for the same things again and again. You won't say okay, aaj ye nahi, wo nahi. So if you want to have ghee roast, okay, you come, you enjoy
Only for
roast.
ghee roast.
Ghee roast. Next day you can come for Malwani, Rassa and Vada, pepper chicken from Kerala, and lots of things.
Wow.
Really.
But this is like, it's plated really well with the banana leaf down
Yeah.
and the ghee roast on top. And what better way to eat ghee roast with appams?
Absolutely. Couldn't have asked for anything better.
Perfect
Amazing.
So
combination.
Perfect
perfect combination,
combination.
absolutely a tinge. So सध्या तरी आयशाक विचारलें हांवें आनी अमोलाक विचारलें की कांटो चमचो फॉर्क बी तशें कितें काय म्हणून. सो वी ऑल युनॅनिमसली डिसायडेड हात की सफाई.
We're going to use our hands.
Absolutely.
All right then, so
Yeah,
let's
and see,
dig in. So these are like very hot.
And when you look at this, see, even if you have in Goan cuisine, you call pole.
Pole, correct.
So a lot of things are similar.
Similar,
But the
similar,
names,
similar.
Few ingredients here and there might be different, but mostly everything is common.
Absolutely. As Ayesha has tried her hand on the ghee roast, stirring it, I want her to experience the first bite.
First bite
and
for me.
Tell us how it is.
I'm not going to miss a minute. Amazing doesn't even begin to cover it. It's so good. What are you waiting for? Please eat.
Yeah, I was waiting for your review, so Amol also could hear it.
Sorry, not supposed to talk with my mouth full, but it's amazing.
So
Amazing.
Everything will come out slowly. All the ingredients, as he has put it, curry patta and spices.
So good.
Everything.
You can actually taste it on your palate. It's amazing.
And basically, it's so simple. People do say that Indian cuisine, Indian regional cuisine is quite
Difficult.
tedious, difficult. But if you see,
No,
if
actually.
you see, you need to have a good heart. That's it. Should be happy while cooking.
And happy while eating.
Main ingredient. Absolutely.
I can tell you, I'm very happy right now.
I can make it up.
Ayesha would agree, as you've traveled, the food outside is bland.
It is.
But if you want,
some of the most flavors.
yeah, flavorsome food is Indian food. And definitely on that note, if you want to try flavorsome food and that to coastal cuisine, tinge
And
at
amazing ghee roast.
Grand Delman is the place to be. We are enjoying your ghee roast. Get your family, get your friends. This is one amazing place to be with your family and friends to enjoy coastal cuisine. If you are a fan, different other options also open. So till we find another guest and another location for Foodie Jam on Prudent, you keep it locked and see you next time.